the realism in the systems that TA and Forklift University, Virtual Forklift, have developed together are very realistic.
And Steve, just curious to know, what was your first experience when you put a headset and then experience this? Because I'm sure you have something to say to audience.
I've worked with many developers down there, and this is one of my best relationships.
Other than making me drive a forklift, the real forklift in your office, what other challenges that you face?
The hazardous situations, let's say if there is a gas leakage or a high temperature chamber where you are operating, you can use those data and then have more.
The younger people didn't have an interest in this kind of work.
How do you feel that change right now after this?
It's amazing.
The technology is helping to build something, right? That is good, and this is important, understanding the problem and then building the solution.
And so we came up with a second product that is called Virtual Forklift Live. Our flagship is Nexus, and that's student-centric. That's designed for the student to drive, and it's based around a single person at this time.
So you mentioned recording functionality in our application, right? We don't just record the video there. We record metadata. So that's why our recording.
I've been doing training for 20 years in VR, and I did 20 years of software development before. So I'm uniquely positioned to work in our industry and work with the technology and figure out where the next steps are